Hey, I have a second channel, CubeCompMTDX. Hey everybody. So here we're looking at Zoxide.com, and Zoxide is a website that many of you out there in the tech enthusiast community may recognize. I've ordered stuff from there, including the case for the Cube Computer Tower Lux. I come across Zoxide again here recently when I was looking for some things, and I noticed something really bizarre about Zoxide. So you can see we're looking at the Apevia X Q-Pack 2 case, which I've been trying to get my hands on one, and you know the saying, when it's too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true. So this is a case that was common in the late 2000s, early 2010s. I've been trying to get my hands on one, and I saw this, is like, oh wow, does Zoxide actually got this in stock? Maybe I was thinking, okay, might be something that's new old stock. And even though it was $99.99, I was like, you know what? I've been really trying to get my hands on one, so I clicked add to cart, and this is what happens. It says your shopping cart is empty, and it says please email, I think it's in@zoxide.com for wholesale pricing and product availability. But something just seemed fishy, because I could try to add anything to the cart from this website, and it would show the same thing. It would say email in@zoxide.com for product availability, blah blah blah. And I noticed that a lot of stuff on Zoxide seems like it's all kind of from the past. I mean, look at their computer cases and stuff. A lot of the cases they have listed on the website are older style cases. Now, they do have some here that are bottom PSU mount, but they also had a lot of older stuff that, I mean, kind of makes you think, something ain't right here. So I go over here to Reddit, and there's a this is the r/PC mods Reddit, and there's someone who posted a question 2 years ago: is Zoxide still in business? Can't add anything to the cart, and the shop appears to be broken. And what's crazy is, people are saying assume they're out of business, because I mean, you get the thing. It says, like, this person here says, yeah, if you look at what they're selling, they don't seem to have anything that came out after like 2012 or 2013, and that seems to be the case. So the thing I wonder is, okay, who's paying the internet bill for this company? Who's paying to keep this website hosted? Who's paying the fees to host the website? I mean, it's crazy. The website's still up and running, but if you look up their Facebook page, they don't have anything posted since 2014. It's really crazy. It's almost like a time capsule, so to say. You go to their website and you can look at classic stuff that's for sale, but you can't buy anything. Ain't that crazy? Yeah. So while you can still go to Zoxide.com, it appears you can't actually buy anything. It's like a time capsule of 2012, 2013. What do y'all think of that? Feel free to leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.
Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Computer channel, and be sure to tick that bell so you'll get notified when new videos are posted. Also, don't forget, I have a whole lot of other interesting videos here on the channel to check out. And also, in addition, I have a second channel, CubeCompMTDX, where I have all sorts of other videos not exactly related to technology. Links to the channels are available at the end of this video. Again, I thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.